Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change prices and please donate Roblox. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, if you're currently inside the game, please exit out, okay? Close the game, and then once that's done, go to roblox.com. Alright, so once you're in here, go ahead and click on Create at the top. And then go ahead over to the left panel and click on Creations. Open up one of your creations, okay? Click on one of your creations, and then here in the left panel, you will have monetization. Click on this drop down and just click on passes, just like so, and go ahead and find the please donate pass. For example, this one right here. So all you got to do is just click on the three dots and click on edit settings. Now, once it lands, go ahead and click on sales right here in the left panel and just go ahead and change the price. Okay. Or for example, 200 right here. So go ahead and click on Save Changes, proceed, wait for it to load, and once it loads, it will say pass updated successfully. Now go ahead and go back to your passes right here if you want to change multiple amounts of each specific passes right here. Okay? And then once that's done, just go ahead and reload the game, please donate, and then after that, you'll be able to see your please donate amount updated. Okay? And that is how you change prices and please donate Roblox. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.